drowning in distractions. You're not alone, but you don't have to stay there. What if you could forge a mind so locked in, not even an earthquake could shake it? In just 30 seconds, I'll hand you the ancient Stoic blueprint to unbreakable focus. Tested by emperors, sharpened by philosophers, and made for modern warriors like you. Step 1. Kill the noise. Marcus Aurelius ruled an empire, but his real kingdom was his mind. Your mind is your fortress. Every notification, every dopamine trap, it's an invasion. Guard it like your life depends on it. Because it does. Step 2. Lock in on one mission. Seneca said it. To be everywhere is to be nowhere. Want power? Pour your energy like molten steel into one purpose. No multitasking, no excuses, just ruthless clarity. Step 3. Burn this mantra into your brain. My focus is my power. That's Epictetus talking. Repeat it. Mean it. Make it your war cry. You are not your distractions. You are the will behind them. Discipline isn't about feeling ready. It's about acting like a damn force of nature. You master this. Your focus will cut through the digital fog like a Spartan spear through armor. Start now. No waiting, no whining. Your future self is watching. Follow Stoicism forged for more ancient weapons to dominate the modern world.